Samsung M8 Smart Monitor. First up is the Samsung M8 Smart Monitor. It's a versatile monitor that doubles as a TV, offering a 4K display, built-in speakers, and an added webcam. Stream Netflix, YouTube, and more with its smart TV features, or connect your laptop, Apple products, or a Samsung smartphone with ease. All of this for just $449. LIFESTRAW Survival Gear. For the outdoor enthusiasts, LIFESTRAW Survival Gear offers a personal water filter that ensures clean, safe water from rivers and streams. With rigorous testing, it filters out 99.99% of water bacteria and parasites, providing 4,000 liters of clean water when properly maintained. HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. Bring your memories to life with the HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. Print your favorite photos from your iPhone instantly and keep them as physical mementos. Its slim design makes it easy to take anywhere. Get yours for just $80. CLIC Light. Stay safe. On the road with CLIC Light, a wearable smart LED signal with 6,000 lumens of brightness and a 400-meter range of visibility. This light keeps you visible day or night. Ideal for cyclists, motorcyclists, and skateboarders. Rocketbook EVERLAST Reusable Smart Notebook. The Rocketbook EVERLAST Reusable Smart Notebook offers 36 wipeable pages that can be reused with a damp cloth. It integrates seamlessly with digital platforms like Slack, email, and Google Drive. Grab yours for just $17. PELICAN MAGSAFE Wallet and Card Holder. Protect your essentials with the PELICAN MAGSAFE Wallet and Card Holder. Its strong magnets keep it attached to your iPhone, while its rugged case is IPX4 water resistant. Secure your cards for just $39. HYPATH 8-in-1 Adventure Backpack. Transform your travel experience with the HYPATH 8-in-1 Adventure Backpack. Use it as a roller bag, backpack, carry-on, or detachable day pack. It maximizes space and adjusts to any adventure. Sunset Projection Lamp. Set the mood with a sunset projection lamp. Adjust the head to project beautiful lighting in your bedroom or any other space. Create an ambiance for just $17. WYZE Campan VA 3. Home Security Camera. Enhance your home security with the WYZE Campan V3. This budget-friendly camera offers high-tech design, weather resistance, and great video quality for only $40. Hatch Restore. Wake up peacefully with the Hatch Restore. This sound machine and sunrise alarm clock gently wakes you up without any jarring sounds. It's available for $130. ZYLLION SHIATSU Back and Neck Massager. Experience ultimate relaxation with the ZYLLION SHIATSU Back and Neck Massager. It massages and heats your muscles for extra relief at home or even in the car. Get yours for $50. BRAZYNMORPH Alpha Foam Roller. For those who enjoy a good workout, the BRAZYNMORPH Alpha Foam Roller offers smart design and portability. Simply pull the ropes and it forms into a travel-friendly roller. It's available for $70. WACACO Mini Presso NS Portable Espresso Machine. Espresso on the go? Check out the WACACO Mini Presso NS Portable Espresso Machine. Hand operated and without electricity, Just add hot water in a coffee capsule for instant coffee anywhere. Grab yours for $1.55. LUMIN Solar Inflatable Lantern. Charge your lantern with sunlight during the day and use its light by night. This lightweight lantern is great for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Available for $1.30. ENBER Temperature Control Smart Twet Mug. Keep your coffee or tea hot all day long with the ENBER Temperature Control Smart Mug. Available in white or black, it has a battery life of 90 minutes off the charger. It's great for the office and priced at $124. iRobot ROMMBA 694. Keep your home clean with the iRobot ROMMBA 694. This customer favorite does the work for you, lifting dirt, debris, and dust from both carpets and hard surfaces. Priced at $236. Herb Saver Best Keeper. Keep your herbs fresh with the Herb Saver Best Keeper. Refill it with water every 3 to 5 days for longer lasting herbs. It's also dishwasher safe and available for $21. FUJIFILM INDTAX Mini Link 2 Smartphone Printer. Print your smartphone photos with the FUJIFILM INDTAX Mini Link 2. Create 2 by 3-inch hard copies with ease and edit them with the companion app. Available in multiple colors for $96. iRobot BRAVA Jet 240 Robot Mop. The iRobot BRAVA Jet 240 Robot Mop sweeps and mops your floors, keeping them fresh and clean while you're away. Get this handy device for $179. LOLLIMEOW Pet Portable Carrier. Take your indoor cat on adventures with the LOLLIMEOW Pet Portable Carrier. With 9 ventilation holes and a comfortable design, your cat will feel safe and secure. Available in 6 colors for $35. GWWNI High-Speed USB Charger Smart Outlet. Control your home with ease using the GWWNI High-Speed USB Charger Smart Outlet. It features 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge devices and control appliances via the GWWNI app. Compatible with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft voice assistants, this smart outlet is available for $23. DANGO Dapper Bifold EDC Wallet. Upgrade your everyday carry with a DANGO Dapper Bifold EDC Wallet. Made in the USA from high-quality materials, this wallet holds up to 14 cards and cash, combining style and functionality. Choose between black or brown leather, priced at $69. XOOL Electric Car Fans. Stay cool in your car with the SOSUL electric car fans. Attach them to the back of the front seats for customizable airflow on hot summer days. Perfect for long road trips, these fans rotate in multiple directions and are available for $28. 12 South Airfly Pro. Use your wireless headphones on a plane with the 12 South Airfly Pro. Simply plug this device into the in-flight entertainment system and sync it to your headphones. Enjoy your favorite movies and music on your flight for just $55. Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine. Make craft cocktails at home with the Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine. This device functions like a Keurig for cocktails, allowing you to create endless drinks without the mess. Get yours for $367. Razer Blade 14. Upgrade your gaming experience with the Razer Blade 14. Gaming laptop. Packed with incredible AI power, this sleek and minimalistic laptop features an AI-powered DLSS 3 with full ray tracing, an AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card. Enjoy a stunning QHD plus 240 Hz 1610 display, 10 hours of battery life, and rapid charging capabilities. It's the ultimate gaming laptop for enthusiasts. PivoPod Max film workouts and capture moments with the PivoPod Max AI face tracking smartphone holder. Whether you're an athlete, personal trainer, or content creator, this device enhances your videos with 360-degree auto tracking and powerful apps. Attach the PivoPod Max to your smartphone, pair it via Bluetooth, and start creating stunning footage. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices.